Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming service and clearing transient faults. First, verify your AT&T account shows no outage, then power cycle the gateway. Unplug it for 30 seconds and plug it back in. This clears many temporary faults. Next, physically inspect coax, Ethernet or fiber connections from the wall NID to the gateway. Make sure connectors are snug and undamaged. Once done, note indicator lights. They tell you whether the gateway is syncing to AT&T, so you know if deeper steps are required. You now dive into diagnostics to find the fault domain. Log into the gateway admin page or use the AT&T Smart Home Manager. Read WAN, DSL or ONT status and Wi-Fi signal metrics because they reveal whether the problem is upstream, in the gateway, or with wireless. Run a speed and connectivity test and then plug a laptop directly into the gateway via Ethernet to isolate wired performance. If wired works but Wi-Fi is weak, adjust channel, move the gateway, or add a mesh node for coverage. You finish by applying corrective fixes and knowing when to escalate. If settings are corrupt, back up any custom configuration, then perform a factory reset. Afterwards, reconfigure Wi-Fi and security. Check and apply firmware updates from the gateway page and swap in a spare modem or gateway if lights indicate hardware failure. If issues persist, call AT&T support with concrete details, error codes, ONT or DSL light behavior, and your direct Ethernet test results so the technician can target provisioning or a field repair. One troubleshooting tip: document LED patterns and times before calling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.